You can't choose a lot of business, lots of business, lots of fish. You can't choose a lot of business, lots of business, yeah.
Becoming fish, shoot the kill, shoot the kill, shoot the kill. Becoming fish, shoot the kill. Scotty, beat me up.
Western Daddy, Digit, Western Daddy, Digit.
It's life, Jim, but knows me night, It's life, Jim, but knows me night, Captain.
The king is at the stopping back. The king is at the stopping back. Spit them off, Jim. You can't choose your scoot, Jimmy. Let's see you, Jimmy.
Mr. Busy Jim. Fish engine room, walk back to 9.
Oh, I think you're gonna blow, Captain. Star trekking across the universe on the Starship Enterprise under Captain Kirk. Star trekking across the universe, only going forward and still get by reverse. Star trekking across the universe on the Starship Enterprise under Captain Kirk. Star trekking across the universe, only going forward and still get by reverse. Thank you.
Hello, this is a rendition of Combine Harvester by the Wurzels. Here you go.
Well, the sun shines in the cowshed, and we're rolling in the hay. All the cows are out there grazing, and the milk is on its way. I am a cider drinker, I drink it all every day. I am a cider drinker, it soothes all my troubles away. Oh, away. Oh, away. Papa Jump, want to try some, young'un? It's so cozy in the kitchen with the smell of rabbit stew. Where the breeze blows the farmyard, you can smell them cowsheds too. Never smelled nothing in my life. With the combine wheels stop turning and a hard day's work is done, there's a pooper in the corner. It's a place we have our fun. I'm so fun at all. I am a cider drinker. I drink it all every day. I am a cider drinker. It soothes all my troubles away. Oh, away. Oh, away. Come on, young, let's get a bit of a pint, then, innit? Now that the old Mabel, when she's able, we take a stroll down Lover's Lane, and we'll shake a pint of scrumpy, then we'll play old nature's game. Ha ha! But we climbed up in the duck pond, with the boat decides to close, with the bridges full of tadpoles, and the dukes between me toes. I am a cider drinker, I drink it all on me day. I am a cider drinker, it soothes all my troubles away. Oh, away. Oh, away. Come on, young, let's get it up there then. I am a cider drinker, I drink it all on me day. I am a cider drinker, it soothes all my troubles away. Oh, away. Oh, away. Oh, away. Oh, away. Let the cider be the spice of life. Oh, ah.
Now there you go with the cider drinker. Now here comes the Combine Harvester by the same people.
I I drove me tractor through your ace that last night. I threw me pitchfork at your dog to keep quiet. Now something telling me that you're a party me. Poor man, me darling, you've got something I need. Cause I've got a brand new car by harvester and I'll give you the key. Come on, let's get together in perfect harmony. Oh, I've got 20 acres and you've got 43. Oh, I've got a brand new car by harvester and I'll give you the key. She made me laugh. I stick to you or give you all that you need. We have trips and triplets and a man book for speed. And you know I love you, darling, so give me your hand. The thing I want the most is all the acres of your land. Cause I've got a brand new combine harvester and I'll give you the key. Come on, let's get together in perfect harmony. Oh, I've got 20 acres and you've got 43. Oh, I've got a brand new combine harvester and I'll give you the key. Oh, she's a lovely bit of stuff. Wow. For 7 years now I've been alone in this place. 6 deep in the kitchen, it's a proper disgrace. Oh, now if I clean it up, won't you change your mind? I'll give up drinking scrumpy on that northern line. Oh, I've got a brand new combine harvester and I'll give you the key. Come on, let's get together in perfect harmony. I've got 20 acres and you've got 43. Oh, I've got a brand new combine harvester and I'll give you the key. Who loves you, baby? Hoa! Where we a grand couple at that last Virgil's dance. I want brand new gaiters in recoiled white pants. You know, Sunday dress, give you perfume smelling grand. We had our photos took as only as ends. Oh, I've got a brand new combine harvester and I'll give you the key. Now that we're both past our 50s, I think that you and me should stop this calamandy and will you marry me? Cause I've got a brand new combine harvester and I'll give you the key. Oh, you're a fine lucky woman. I can't wait to get you in on your end. Oh, thank you.